Hey kids, welcome to Creative Chaos. And today we're going to draw SpongeBob step by step. Let's go. First, let's start with SpongeBob's spongy face. He's not round or oval, he's square. But don't make it too perfect because he's a sponge and sponges have wobbly edges. Did you know SpongeBob lives in a pineapple under the sea? How cool is that? Now, let's add his face. Start with two big round eyes. SpongeBob always has a happy face. Then, draw a small pointy nose right in the middle. And of course, his big smiling mouth with two little funny teeth sticking out. Did you know SpongeBob's laugh is one of the most famous cartoon laughs ever? SpongeBob wears brown square pants, so let's draw his body below his face. Add his skinny little legs and funny shoes with high heels. SpongeBob runs super fast, even though his legs are so tiny. Now, let's give SpongeBob his long, skinny arms and little spongy hands. He's always waving or flipping Krabby Patties at the Krusty Krab. Fun fact, SpongeBob is one of the best fry cooks ever. SpongeBob loves looking fancy, so don't forget to draw a cute little red tie around his neck. He may be silly, but he always wears his uniform with pride when working at the Krusty Krab. Now for the fun part, coloring. Color SpongeBob's body bright yellow. He's a sponge after all. Make his big eyes blue. He has the brightest ocean blue eyes. Add red and blue stripes on his socks. So stylish. Color his tie red. He loves looking fancy. Color his pants brown. Because, of course, he's SpongeBob SquarePants. And finally, make his shoes black, super shiny. And there you go, kids. SpongeBob is ready to make you laugh and go on underwater adventures. Fun fact before you go. Did you know SpongeBob was created by a real marine scientist? That's why the show has lots of sea creatures and ocean fun. Bye for now. See you next time.